Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a catalog in Shopify step by step. So this helps keep your product organized and makes it easier for customers to browse your store. So first, I want you to open your Shopify dashboard from the left side menu. Click Online Store, then go to Pages. Create a new page for your catalog and give it a clear name so that customers will know what they will find in there. Next, go to Content and select Menus. Add the catalog options you want to show, with each one representing a different product type or category. Then place them under the main catalog menu item as child menu items to keep everything organized. After that, edit each catalog option and link it to the correct page or section. Repeat this for the other options, then save your changes so customers can go directly to the right content. Once your menu is ready, open the site editor and adjust the layout of your catalog pages. You can also organize the different catalog types and add product images and descriptions to make the pages clear and easy to browse. Once everything is set up, your Shopify catalog is ready and customers can browse your products in a more organized way. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.